Maziwa, pesa. Asante sana, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Arap Ruto, our very able deputy, my colleagues, na wakulima wa maziwa, Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Nasema mimi naitwa Mheshimiwa Kareke Mbiuki, ama baba yao, mjumbe kutoka Tharaka Nithi County, eneo bunge la Mala, na niko hapa kwa sababu sisi ni wakulima wa maziwa. Each and every single day, Your Excellency, from Tharaka Nithi County, you are able to produce 3.5 million liters, which is delivered to Meru Central. So when you invest in Meru Central, you are investing in the entire catchment of Mount Kenya regions. Because these farmers we are seeing here, Your Excellency, goes beyond Meru County. There are some from Tharaka Nithi County, ambao hata ni wengi zaidi. Kuna wakulima kutoka Embu and other parts of the mountain. Your Excellency, ombi letu ni kusema ni kuomba Your Excellency, the way the farmers have requested here, especially on the sex semen, because that is where there is a very big challenge. Your Excellency, we are humbly requesting you and your government to invest in the same, so that farmers can be able to get sex semen in a more cheaper way. Your Excellency, the cost of animal feeds is extremely very high. And I'm happy, Your Excellency, effective this month, Meru Central is delivering animal feeds all directed to Tharaka Nithi County, where they have opened an outlet to be able to serve the people of Tharaka Nithi County. So Tharaka Nithi County, we feel part and parcel of Meru Central. And Your Excellency, I can tell you Meru Central is doing so well. Because some years back, there was a lot of milk production, and majority of it was going to Brookside and Akinandaima dairies. But today, almost 100% our farmers are delivering to Meru Central. So when you invest in Meru Central, you are delivering to the people of Tharaka Nithi and the entire region. Lastly, Your Excellency, we are here to assure you of our total support. Kwa sababu unasikia wakati tunasema maziwa, tunasema pesa. Pesa mfukoni. And that is one of your clarion cause. When we take leadership, we shall ensure that pesa goes to the pockets of the people. Asante sana, and always feel welcome. And as people of Daraja Meru, tunakupenda, and may God bless you. Na bado tunasema kumi bila break.
Asante Mheshimiwa, he was my senior, ndio aliendelea. Mheshimiwa Muthoni.